Hey, welcome. So in this video, we're going over the pros and cons of dual pane windows to find out if they're worth it for your RV or van installation. Okay, so we're going to start off with the pros. So the first thing is going to be temperature control. So double pane windows have a lot more temperature control than single pane. So this can be really nice if you're going to be in more extreme climates where you're going to be running your AC or your heat pretty frequently. The next pro is going to be noise reduction. So especially if you're going to be in a lot of urban areas or parking in parking lots where there might be a lot of road noise in the background or people walking around, this could be a really beneficial thing for you. And then the third thing is going to be structural integrity. So you have double pane, so that means you get doubled up protection, so it's not quite as likely to shatter or break. And if it does shatter, then you have more likely it would just be one pane rather than both of them. And so the last pro that we have is going to be condensation protection. So double pane windows are not going to fog up like single pane windows are. So if you're taking a shower or you're cooking, it's not as likely to have condensation.
All right, that leaves the bad stuff, the cons. One, they are expensive. You get what you pay for though. Like she said, they're really good in those harsh climate environments, such as if you're going snowboarding, the cold weather, it's going to stand up to being exposed to heat. So when you're running a heater, in the middle of winter, 0 degrees outside, it's not going to crack. It is heavier depending on the material. Obviously, glass dual pane windows are going to be the heaviest, and acrylic dual pane windows are not going to be as heavy. And lastly, vibration could break the window seal. So in between the two panes of glass, there is a slight seal. So let's say you're in a van and you're traveling on a bumpy road, it can potentially break the seal if you're on poor suspension. So that leads into, installing, say, a dual pane window on a trailer. It's not the greatest idea in the world. If it doesn't have any suspension, it could break that window.
So our verdict on whether or not dual pane windows are worth it, for us, it was definitely worth it because we are going into more extreme climates, and having that additional thermal insulation was really important to us. Also having the more noise reduction was really important to us as well. So, however, if you are in a trailer that's being towed or something like that, we probably wouldn't recommend the double pane window in that case. But otherwise, we think it's worth it.
Definitely. And that's it for this video. Thanks for stopping by, and be sure to check out all of our other videos on window install related things, and we'll catch you in the next one.